The base module has 8 AI buttons. When you click the spelling button, the spelling or format of the marked text is fixed. Try it out. Mark the text with typos we inserted and click the spelling button. If you don't like the markups, you can turn them off in the settings. The Your Request button is the all-rounder button. The AI will basically do what you wish for in the marked text. When you mark a question, for instance, the helpful AI will provide an answer. Try it now. We inserted a question and an instruction for you. Mark the complete text and hit the Your Request button above. Awesome! Now let's check out the settings of the Your Request button. You can select in the drop-down if the AI output shall replace your marked text, be inserted directly after your marked text, be inserted at the end of the paragraph, or shall be inserted in a new line. The Rephrase button rephrases a word or sentence you mark. The Claim Chart button creates a claim chart if the marked text is a patent claim. Try it out. Mark the claim we inserted and click on the Claim Chart button above. When you click the Explain button, the marked text or word is explained. When you click the Translate button, the marked text is translated into the language you selected. You can select the target language here. The Simple Words button converts endless sentences or complicated language into simple language. Last but not least, the Compare button compares the marked text with a comparison text you can insert in the button settings. In the settings, you can insert a text that will be compared with the marked text. This is useful to detect inadmissible amendments in claims or when rechecking the output of the AI. Great! You mastered the deep dive tutorial of the base module.